In this video, I'll show you how to add InPost parcel locker delivery to your store using the Pickup Points Pro app for all Shopify plan types. You'll find the app link in the description below, and you can test it for free for 7 days. The app supports over 50 carriers worldwide, so you can easily expand your delivery options beyond just InPost. No carrier contracts or agreements needed, just install the app and you're ready to go. Depending on your Shopify plan, jump to the right section using the timestamps, as the setup differs slightly for each one. Let's start with the basic plan and grow without carrier-calculated shipping. In this case, pickup points are displayed on the cart page due to Shopify limitations. After installing the app, you'll be taken straight to the Carriers and Countries section, where you can see all your shipping zones, in my store Poland and Germany. First, we need to add the Pickup Points widget to the cart. Click Go to Shopify Store Theme Customizer. Then in the left panel click Add Block and select Pickup Points Map Cart widget. Place it above the Checkout button and save. Next, go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery and select your general shipping profile. We need to add 2 shipping methods for Poland. First one will be InPost Pickup Points for parcel lockers and standard pickup points. And the second one for home delivery, and I will call it InPost Carrier. Add a proper shipping rate. And hit Save. Now go back to the app and open Carriers and Countries tab. Click the plus icon and add InPost. Then open its settings, tick Enable it, and select only the InPost Pickup Points shipping method. Finally, save changes. And that's it for setup. Now let's test it. Add a product to the cart. Choose the appropriate InPost pickup point from the map. And go to Checkout. After entering the address, you'll see the InPost Pickup Points method with the selected point ID. If the store customer does not select a pickup point in the cart, it means they want their order to be delivered to a home address. In that case, only the InPost Carrier shipping method will be available. And that's the basic plan setup. Now, if you're on the Shopify Advanced plan or the Grow plan with carrier calculated shipping enabled, our app will display InPost pickup points directly on the checkout page as a list. Let's now move on to the app settings. The main app screen is the Carriers and Countries tab. After installing the app, it should automatically add its rates to your shipping zones, but let's confirm that. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, open your general profile, and check the rates under your shipping zone. You should see the rates provided by the Octalize Pickup Points Pro app. Now go back to the Carriers and Countries section in the app. Click the plus icon next to your country and add the InPost Carrier. Open its settings, enable it. Set the number of pickup points that will be displayed at checkout. And define the shipping rate. Once it's done, save changes. And that's it for this setup. To test it, simply add a product to the cart and go to Checkout page. When customers enter the address, they will see the list of the nearest InPost pickup points and can select the one they prefer. Now I'll show you how to add InPost pickup points on the Plus plan. On this plan, our app allows pickup points to be displayed in the checkout page as a map and as a list. So let's jump into the app settings. Once you install the app, you will see the Carriers and Countries screen. Also, rates provided by the app will be shown in the Shipping and Delivery section. Let's check if that happened. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery, and click your general profile. As you can see, the Pickup Points Pro rates have been added for my shipping zone. If not, click Add Shipping option, choose Use Carrier or App to calculate rates, and select Pickup Points Pro. Now jump back to the app. In Carriers and Countries tab, click Go to Shopify Store Theme Editor button. Then add the pickup point block to checkout page. Finally, enable Allow App to Block Checkout, and save. Next, go to Global Settings tab in our app. And choose how you want to display pickup points, map, list, or both at the same time. If you choose the map or both, just add your Google Maps API key. Once it's done, go back to Carriers and Countries and add InPost by clicking the plus button. Next, open its settings page. Enable it. If you like, you can adjust its name, but I will leave the default one. The final step is to add a shipping rate. And that is all. To test it, add a product to the cart and navigate to checkout page. Add a shipping address. And you'll see InPost pickup points instantly. Your customers can pick from a map or a list and choose the InPost pickup points that work best for them. And that's everything when it comes to adding InPost pickup points to a Shopify store. You'll find the app link in the description below the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.